Abdullah bin Abi Mulaika states that Hazrat Usman's daughter passed away in Makkah Mukarramah. We went to attend her funeral procession, and Hazrat Ibn Umar and Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhum also came. I was sitting between them. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said to Amr bin Uthman while he was in front of him, "Why do not you proscribe them from weeping? Undoubtedly, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, a dead person is tormented due to the household's weeping." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu would also say something to the same effect. He then narrated a hadith. I, along with Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, was coming back to Makkah Mukarramah. Until when we reached Baida, some riders were seen in the shade of a tree. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Go and see who they are." So I went and saw. He was Hazrat Suhaib radiyallahu anhu. I intimated Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. He whereupon said, "Go and fetch him." I returned to Hazrat Suhaib and said, "Come over to the believers' chief." And later, when Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu got wounded, Hazrat Suhaib came and started weeping and saying, "Alas, my brother, alas, my companion." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "O Suhaib, are you weeping over me, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, a dead person is tormented on account of the weeping of some of the members of the family?" Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "After Hazrat Umar's martyrdom, I mentioned it to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha whereupon said, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu show His mercy to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not say that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu administer torment to a Muslim due to someone's weeping. But He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu increases the torment awarded to an infidel due to his family's weeping." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "This verse is enough for you." Translation: No one will bear the burden of another. Surah Fatir, verse 18. On that occasion, Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "Only Allah Jalla Jalaluhu makes you laugh and weep." Ibn Abi Mulaika radiyallahu anhu said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." Hearing it, Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said nothing. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2147.